Ja, dobrodošli v naši oddaji Moj odnos do samega sebe. Tukaj je kratek napovednik, z nami nocoj izjemen, krasen gost, Jucelino Nobrega da Luz, brazilski zdravilec, vides. Jucelino, a few words for our people that will watch our TV show. What would you like to say about your message to the world?
First, it's necessary you love your country. It's very important to you to bring it to your country good things. Share every day in your life one hello for your friends, one hello for your neighbors, or someone that you like or not, but you bring it to him some good words every day. And valorize your place here, worth it, because it's very important to you to grow. And this in Slovenia is the most important place that you know for your life, for your neighbors, for the community, and also to the people here. And you can make it the life better for you. Be happy, have a hope in your purpose here, and make it the spiritual life for you come to real, and make it these places for you better.
Yeah.
Every day.
Every day. So the power is within us. So how we think, how we feel creates our reality.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is important.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hvala, torej se gledamo ta ponedeljek ob 17. in potem v ponovitvah. Glejte nas na Ljubljana TV, oddaja Moj odnos do samega sebe.